Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join anyone on Roblox without being their friend. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see that we are in roblox.com, and in order to do this you used to have to install some kind of extension, but you don't actually have to do it that way now. You can now do it via the Roblox website itself. So what you want to do is you want to come up to the top here, and in the search bar you want to enter the name of the person that you want to play a game with. Hit enter. And then as you can see, it's now going to bring up all the results of people with that name. And then you want to find the person that you want to play with, give them a click. And then as you can see, it brings them up, and then you can see that it says add friend, but also as well, it says join. So if you hit on that green join button, and it will then take you to the game that they are playing. Amazing. So as you can see, I have now joined the server or the game that that specific person is actually playing, which is amazing. And that's it. That's really super simple for you guys. You can see that we've joined their game and we're not even friends with them, which is amazing. Hopefully that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.